Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 KLR650 Dual Sport. This thing's got some neat upgrades, including a 10-gallon gas tank. Yeah, you heard me right, 10 gallons. Engine guards, skid plate, bark busters, two-brother exhaust. It's got a center stand, rear rack. This bike is in fantastic condition. 24,000 miles on this gorgeous KLR. Come by, make your dual sport dreams come true for just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes in stock.